Did you know the gods had their own cupbearer, and her job was to keep everyone immortal except herself? Her name was Hebe, daughter of Zeus and Hera, goddess of eternal youth. Every god at Mount Olympus held out their cup, and she filled it. Every hero who earned a place among the immortals was handed his youth back through her hands. Heracles, the greatest hero who ever lived, was given Hebe as his bride after death, a reward for his suffering. And even then, her role was the same: to serve, to restore, to pour. She could freeze time in a single drop. Kings would have burned their kingdoms for what she carried. But no temples were built for her. No great myths carry her name. No wars were fought in her honor. She spent eternity making sure everyone else stayed golden, and history let her fade. Maybe that's the real tragedy: not losing youth, but spending yours keeping everyone else from losing theirs. Who in your life quietly keeps everyone else going?